Wanagiri Hidden Hill. It took us almost 3 hours ride from our hotel. The 3-hour ride includes the traffic, by the way. So yeah, we got this package. You see that? Wait, like I'll just take a correct video. Yeah, we got this. We got this package. It's Wanagiri Hidden Hill and Banyumala Waterfalls. So yeah, for 300k rupiah per person. So here's the Wanagiri Hidden Hill. How you have lots. Dito to. Kaya enjoy. Here you have several spots, and the background is so cool. I mean, this one's cheaper compared to the one in the Bali swing. Yep, it cost us 500k I think, but it's much nearer though. So this one took like 3 hours. So yeah, we'll just take some pictures. Bye. I'll just tour you around on the other part later. Guys, it's so cold here. We chose the wrong clothing. Yes, the struggle is real just for the gram. Okay, so here's the other Instagrammable spots. I haven't taken a video of this earlier. So there, and then you have the nest, and then that famous like boat type. Yeah, and then the background is so lit, like so. Already 2:30 in the afternoon, and it took us 1 hour and 15 minutes to be done with a photo shoot here at Wanagiri Hidden Hill. After this, we're going to wait, what's the name of the falls? We're going to Banyumala Waterfalls, but we decided to have a lunch before heading to Banyumala Waterfalls because we're going to do some like a little bit of trekking, says the guide. Our guide gave us this peanut cracker. I mean, they call it kropek though. This is their version of kropek. Cool, so let's try. Bye! The food has arrived. Behold, nasi goreng. Ooh. This costs 35,000 rupiah. And Joy ordered fried chicken because it is what is stated in the menu. It's 35,000 as well. Yay! Kaon ta! Yeah, so now we're going to Banyumala Falls. The 300,000 rupiah that we paid consists of taking a picture here in Wanagiri Hill and then the Banyumala Falls. Before going to Banyumala Falls, you have to inform the receptionist person because he will be the one to arrange you with a van transfer. Yep, it's so saucy. Yeah, I see you. Oh. We're going to Banyumala Falls, and this is our definition of trekking outfit. Yes. For some extra challenge, the trekker chose to not to walk on the cemented path. Oh my god, I'm really laughing here because our outfit does not match what we're doing right now. Yes. The trekker got worn out. She decided to walk on the cemented path instead. So yes, update again later. Bye. The trek is official. I mean, like, the trek is official. In case you didn't hear me. Yes. So I think This is the reason why the guide gave us the stick, because of this path. But come on, we're from the Philippines. We're used to this. Anyways, thank you for the concern. Lots of people. But you know what? This would be easier if we're wearing the right outfit. I mean, come on. This is like a little trek, but with us not wearing the type of dresses that, like, you know, it's kind of beautiful. Yes. So, yeah, see you in the falls. Bye-bye. I look like a grandma. I mean, wearing this dress. I feel like it looks stupid. Bye. Ooh, I think the rocks are slippery. Yeah, I can do it. Okay, my turn. Yeah. Okay, one more. One more. Oh my god, my skirt! Thank you. Joy, nasabit palda ako, Joy! Nasabit palda ako! Oh my god, you're not meant to see it. The steps are so stiff. And the rocks, they're slippery, so be very careful. I mean, me vlogging this, come on, I love you guys, so yeah. Bye-bye. Yay, we're finally here! And we're so jealous. We're not able to bring our swimming outfits. Right! Wrong decision. But anyways, this waterfall is not in our itinerary. That's why I told Joy we can, you know, swim wearing this. I mean, right? We even wore this trekking so we can wear this swimming. Joy, come on! Hi! Is it a yes or no? Are we swimming in this outfit? Oh my god, guys! You have to see the falls! Worst decision ever, not bringing a swimwear going into this fall. Oh my god. I just can't. This should have been the first falls where we're going to swim. I mean, outside the Philippines, and I can't go back without swimming in here. Ooh, look at that girl. Yeah, I know, right? Like, my SD card is already full. Ciao. Since we can't swim, we only opted for the possible we just want to go to the water, even just like, you know, see that. Yeah. Because we can't swim, but at least we get to touch the water here at Banyumala Waterfalls. Oh my god. Let me have a try. I'm so happy. Yeah, we'll just do this. Yeah, because we're not able to bring our, you know, not able to bring our outfit, our swimming outfit. It's so sad. We're still sad right now. Kuya, you've been laughing at us. Hi. Bye, Banyumala. You've been massive and beautiful. So sad. So, lesson learned. Always bring a swimwear with you wherever you go, so that you don't go home feeling bad. Bye. You see that? I don't know.
Sabi hapo. Apoy ka apoy. Totoo ba lang ginakataw?
Then, oh my god, yes, that is, you know,
Oh, you see that? You see that path? That's where we came from. All the way up without stop. We're finally here. What do you say, Kuya?
Kuya, yeah.
Kayod, kayod.
Kuya tired.
And then there's another one, and then another one.
Mas mani pa outfit mag-trekking.
The cute trekker surrenders.
No, Calvin. Lapit na lang, Bigya.
Are we near?
Yes?
Are we near from where we parked the car?
Oh, no.
Oh, yes, we're still. Ang siga ng balabag ko. Maglakat ka, Joy. Yeah. We're not near. That's fake news. Oh my god.
Ganda.
Oh my god, that was just like a short trek, and like I'm sweating right now like so much. Yeah, that was short but so hard because like the steps there, you know, I don't know how tall are they, like you should have bigger legs, longer legs and everything. Yeah, so but by the way, they have free water, yes, for you to hydrate yourself. I've been yawning how many times already. You know, the fact that whenever you're yawning, it means that you lack oxygen. Whatever, that's a science fact, so you're welcome. Bye. Okay, so we're here at HANDARA Gate. We're still waiting for our turn to take a picture in front of the gate. Yeah, so we paid 30,000 rupiah for us to take a picture. Our guide shared to us why the temples entrances are designed like this, because you know, like that, you see that. Oh my god, I have like lots of things I'm carrying right now. Yeah, the temple is formed like that because it symbolizes the palm, you know, the palm. Like when you're going to pray, you put your palms together. It's like that. That's the explanation. So yeah, that's another fact. You're welcome. Okay, so this is going to the bathroom. So full and so Instagrammable. This is the whole bathroom. Tingnan. Oh my gosh, the focus of my camera. So my other camera is already full and low bat, and so I had to use my what's this, my DSLR. So I ordered 2 pieces of spicy prawn tacos. This is costing 90,000 rupiah. Ordered cheesecake only and smooth bowl. I think I had coconut water, and we ordered chicken quesadilla. Yeah, we're here at Sea Circus. We're supposed to go to Motel Mexicana, but it's already full. So this is the whole Sea Circus. Yeah. You guys have to see their bathroom. It's so cool.